Welcome to the Mavaverse.
Hello everyone, today we're going to show you TofuNFT.com and how to sell your NFTs on TofuNFT. First, go to TofuNFT.com and make sure to have the MetaMask web browser extension. Then, proceed to go to the top right-hand corner on the profile icon and click it. Click Connect MetaMask Wallet. If the pop-up didn't show up, make sure to have the MetaMask web browser extension and click it. Enter your password to unlock your wallet. Choose the account on where your NFT is actually imported in. Now, proceed to click again on your profile icon and go to My NFTs. In here, you'll find the NFTs that are actually imported in your wallet. Click the picture, and in here, you'll see the information of your NFT, its rarity, its attributes, and how rare each and every attribute of your NFT is. When you scroll down, you'll see more of the Mavatrix NFTs. But first, let's proceed to make a transaction. You'll only focus on this section, where you can actually sell your NFT for a fixed price, put it on auction, or send it to another wallet. So, let's sell our NFTs by clicking Fixed Price. A pop-up will show up to verify your address. Click OK, and a signature request pop-up from your MetaMask wallet will show. Click Sign, and another pop-up will show to confirm the terms and conditions before trading on the marketplace of TofuNFT. You can click the checkbox Don't Ask Again, or you can just leave it. Proceed to accept once you're clear. Now, another verification pop-up will show up again. Click OK, and the signature request pop-up will show up on your MetaMask wallet. Click to sign it. Now this pop-up will show to sell your NFT. On the section Sell Method, you have the fixed price or the auction. When you put your NFT on auction, 5% goes to Tofu and 5% goes to the bidder. Now let's go back to the fixed price to sell your NFT. Put whichever amount that you wish to sell it for, say 2.2 or 2.5. Note that everything will always be on BNB. Click to start listing. A pop-up will show up to approve your NFT listing. Make sure to click Approve, waiting for transaction, and your MetaMask wallet will pop up once again. Proceed to click Confirm. Wait for the transaction to load, and whatever you do not refresh or exit this page. Once it has been approved, proceed to click the Sign button. Another pop-up from your MetaMask wallet will show for a signature request. Confirm the message and proceed to click Sign. And there you go, your item is ready. Now when you scroll down to more from Mavatrix, you can actually view the collection. Click the button View Collection, and you'll be redirected to the official Mavatrix page. You'll find the NFT listed that you just made, and also other Mavatrix NFTs. From the Mavatrix page, you can also click to go to our official Telegram, official Twitter, official Discord, and official Instagram, as well as our official website. Happy selling or buying! Now, if you do not want to sell your NFT and just want to view and buy the collection, you can go back to the main page of TofuNFT.com, and on the search bar at the very top, you can type in Mavatrix, and the Mavatrix collection will show. Proceed to click the Mavatrix collection, and you'll be redirected to the official Mavatrix collection in TofuNFT. So guys, happy buying or selling?
Welcome to the Mavaverse.
Mavatrix.com